Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel. In this video, we will explain how to use Indeed. The Indeed website is an efficient job search engine for both job seekers and employers around the world. On the Indeed homepage, the What search box is where you can put any job title, company name, or industry. While in this Where search box, you can answer your desired job in a certain area, city, or state. You can also filter the results by clicking on these features if you would like. Now, Indeed also lets you sign up for free job alerts, so you'll be the first to know when the next type of role you're looking for shows up on Indeed. And when you do find potential employers, you can click their company name so you can get insights into the company culture and read genuine employer reviews that will help you decide whether this is a place you could see yourself working in. Now, with your free Indeed account, you can also save jobs to review and apply for later. You may also upload your resume to Indeed or build a new one from scratch with their online tools that will be useful in applying for jobs on Indeed. And that's just a glimpse of the Indeed website. And that's it for today's video. Kindly like, subscribe, and click the notification bell if you would like to see more tutorials like this.